All right. Welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing all right. We are just gonna keep recording. I'm having flow here. So yeah, let's go. Before we start, as always, thanks to all subscribers, but a special thanks to all patrons, because you are awesome and really keeps me motivated. Needed in a series like this when we are in episode like 56 or something, and I feel like we're nowhere close to finishing. So yeah, anyway, let's just keep going. If you want to join the patrons, link should be in the in the description of the video. Okay, let's go. Video. Not visual scripting. Where's Unreal? There. All right, let's go. Kind of getting there. We cleaned up some stuff in the last video. We now have this equip and unequip functionality, or we did have that before, but we now have the drag and drop functionality for it, which is pretty sweet. So we're just going to do the same thing here now, so that we are able to drop this into the inventory. And that's here. So if it's a storage slot, we are going to need to update the inventory components. Actually, this should be pretty simple, because we did do the add into inventory function, didn't we? So we can just get current stack, and then we can just get the item to drop. Then we can update the inventory, and maybe that works. I forgot that we actually set this function up. Let's see if that works. We are, however, gonna have to... Yeah, so that works. So that's nice. We should update inventory. Update. Right? Slots. What's it called? Didn't I show inventory? We want this, update inventory slots. So get inventory. What's it called? Why do I name my stuff so weirdly? Why doesn't it find this when I search for inventory? So poor. AC inventory component. AC. We have this WB. I should be able to find this. Why can't I find this one? What was this one? Why is it set to private? Get inventory. There we go. Update inventory slots. not the inventory component. We just need to update the slots because we don't want to show the rest of the inventory. There we go. So now we just need to remove this. So we need another function. Server move item to chest. So let's do this. Client. Let's do custom event. Client remove item from, no, call it client remove item. Client remove chest item. This one is going to be run on owning client. And then we're going to do a custom event called server remove chest item. And we're going to get the current interactable that I aptly named correctly in the last video. We're going to get chest inventory. What's it called? Oh my god. Yeah, it's not a chest, so interface PPI inventory interface. Call remove inventory item. Nope. Call remove chest item. It's gonna take an input of the item. Class reference, and it's gonna take another input of the amount. So we don't actually need, well, we need it to be server replicated. So we still need these functions. I like the message one. I don't actually know what the difference between the message one and the other one is, to be fair. So we are gonna do this on both the client and the server. For the same reason as we did before. We don't want to cause any lag. Or we want to be able to update the inventory instantly. But the server will still keep it synced. So like this. So client. Oh, here it's enough to grab this one. Client remove chest item. We're just gonna code it. We can hard code it to 1 here, because if it were several, we would go up here. So we're gonna do the functionality up there later. Item to drop in there. And since this is a client function, that means we can get the current chest inventory, and we can update the chest inventory. And we can get this one. But let's not do a rerun mode, let's just do like this. So it's removed on the client, we can instantly update, and then we can send it to the server, and that's gonna keep it synced. Let's see if that works. That did not work at all. Yeah, it's the same reason that it shouldn't actually work, because we need to go into our chest and actually add the interface call. Event called remove chest item. We're gonna do for loop last index. We should actually do that here as well. That, and we're gonna remove item. So now it can receive this interface call, so maybe it's gonna work now. Let's see. There we go. Ba-dum. I can drop it back, and for some reason it created 2. Interesting. What is going on here? I was about to say like, oh nice, with a video where everything just worked. So it works the first time. It doesn't work the second time. Or the third time. Now it's empty. Now it has 2. Now it has a lot. So I think this is a replication issue. Yeah, it definitely is. Ignore these errors. So chest inventory. Let's see what happens here. On drop, it's probably because of something we're doing here. Move item to chest. This worked before. So why isn't it working now? Because this is not running on server. So it's not actually removing it. This should be reliable as well, and this should be reliable as well. It's not enough to just call your event server. You need to actually set it to run on the server as well. It still creates several of them though. Is it actually removing it, or is it... If I drag this out... Yeah, so we are adding it twice. So I wonder if this is called twice or if it's because we are doing the client server thing. Oh, so it is only called once, so that is good. So it is very likely that it's this that is causing the error. So if we do not do the call ourselves, it still creates two of them. That is interesting. So we are actually creating two of them. So it's not this that is wrong. It's this. Is it the amount to drop? Call just add item. Added. Is this being, is the index more? Is that why? So the index is 2. Now it's just getting called twice. This can still be 1. Let's see. Yeah, so it is being called once. Yeah, so it's added once for the client and once for the server. So I wonder. What happens now? We only see 1 here now. No, so it is replicating. Move this. Interesting. Am I misunderstanding something with the replication here? It's just inventory. So it is still added twice. Alright. Let's keep print stringing until we find our issue. What does this say? It says 1. So that is correct. Oh, wait, of course. Stupid. Plug those back in. So if this is 1, it's gonna do it once for 0 and then one more time for 1, right? So this should start at 1. Yeah, stupid me. It's not being set properly though. It is removing the item, but it's not. It's passing a null. Oh yeah, we need to pass the item to drop. So I remove the item, I go check the chest, there's no item. I remove the potion with this one, and then I run back and the chest is empty, and I put this one back in. And now I can get this one with this one. There we go. Seems to work. Bada boom, bada bing. Not too bad. Only 21 minutes. That's 10 minutes less than most of the last videos. So that's good. Feeling hopeful. That's gonna be it for this video. Made some good progress. We need to do the amounts for it as well, if there's like stacks. So that's probably gonna be super annoying because we need to do the things with the amount widgety thingy. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Thanks for your support. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe to the Patreon if you're awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.